Have you ever noticed how things shift the moment a man stops chasing? He replies slower. He stops explaining himself. He doesn't lean forward in conversations, he leans back. And suddenly, people start acting different. Messages come faster. Respect shows up where it didn't before. Even silence feels louder. Maybe it's you. Maybe it's someone you watch change without saying a word. Because when a man stops chasing, it's not just behavior that changes. It's the psychology around him. At first, the biggest shift is internal. Picture a man who used to overextend. Always available. Always proving. Always trying to be chosen. Then one day, he stops. Psychologically, this creates a reversal of value perception. People unconsciously associate effort with need, and need with lower status. When the effort disappears, the mind fills the gap with curiosity. If you've ever seen someone want you more once you stopped trying so hard, this is why. Then, there's the way conversations change. When a man is chasing, he talks more, explains more, justifies more. He fills silence because silence feels risky. When he stops chasing, silence becomes neutral, even powerful. Psychologically, silence signals self-sufficiency. It suggests, I'm fine either way, and that changes how others engage. If people start leaning in when you lean back, you're watching this dynamic in real time. Another shift shows up in boundaries. A chasing man bends. He adapts quickly. He tolerates behavior he shouldn't. When he stops chasing, his boundaries firm up quietly. Psychologically, clear boundaries increase perceived self-worth. Not because they're aggressive, but because they're consistent. People sense when access is no longer unlimited. If others suddenly become more respectful when you say less, it's not coincidence, it's calibration. Then there's attraction, and this part gets misunderstood. Stopping the chase doesn't make a man cold. It makes him selective. Psychologically, selectivity signals abundance. The brain assumes, if he's not chasing, he must have options, even when that's not entirely true. This isn't manipulation. It's how humans interpret availability. If attention becomes more valuable when it's no longer guaranteed, you're seeing basic psychology at work. But here's the twist. When a man stops chasing, some people don't come closer, they disappear. And that's not loss. That's clarity. Psychologically, chasing filters for people who enjoy effort without reciprocity. Stopping filters for those who respect presence over pursuit. The shift reveals who valued you and who valued being validated by you. So ask yourself honestly, not defensively, when you stopped chasing, who leaned in? Did people treat you with more respect or more resistance? Did you feel calmer even if fewer people stayed? Because the real change isn't how others treat you. It's how you see yourself. When a man stops chasing, he doesn't become distant. He becomes grounded. And grounded men change rooms without raising their voice. So which part felt familiar? Which reaction have you already noticed? If this made you rethink effort, attraction, or self-respect, sit with that. Because sometimes the most powerful move isn't going after what you want. It's becoming someone who no longer has to.